Welcome back friends to DCT Lab, and for obvious reasons I am Mr. DCT. Well, in our previous video we answered exercise 1, which was to write an algorithm that displays the message hello. Now here is the algorithm over here and the program that we wrote in C. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be tackling exercise 2, which says write an algorithm that allows the user to enter two numbers and display their product. Okay, so without any further ado, let me dive in. I'll open my terminal. I'll create, again I'll be using the terminal because how can I say, I love using it because it's faster in creating folders and files. So I'm going to create a new folder called exercise 2. Right now, as you can see in here, a new folder has been created, exercise 2. Now enter inside exercise 2, and I will create my C file for exercise 2. So exercise 2.c. Now let me just cancel this exercise 1. Now if I navigate inside exercise 2 in my sublime text, so if I open exercise 2, I will see the file exercise 2.c. okay, so that was it. Let me open now my PDF. Now we are to write an algorithm that calculates the product of two numbers. So to do that, let me first of all comment this out. So I'm going to name it as exercise. This is exercise 2, which is going to be product of two numbers. Okay, now to start, I just have to say start, right? Then now I'll declare two variables, a, b, which is going to be store the values we have to calculate. So I'm going to say declare. I'm going to say a, b, and product. Okay, and I'll declare them as integers. Alright, now after declaring them, I will have to now maybe like ask the user to enter the number. So I will say display enter first number. Okay, now since we are writing pseudocode, it's not necessary to put semicolon at the end because it's not a programming language. So after displaying enter first number, I can now read now the number from the user. So I can say read a. Alright, and that's all. To do the same for variable 2, I can just copy and paste below, since it's the same thing, except that for first I'm going to put second, and inside here read a is going to be instead read b. Okay, now let me calculate now the product. So the product, right, is going to be, now in pseudocode we use backward arrow to assign something. So product is going to be a times b. Okay, now I need to display now the product. So I can say display the product is, I put comma here, then product. Okay, so it's going to display the product. At the end I will say n. So that was it. Again, you can say put maybe stop if you want, but I prefer n. Okay, so that's it for the algorithm. Now how can we convert it now into a program language like C? So we first need to declare our include our library hash include stdio.h. now int main. In our main function, we need to declare now the two variables a, b, the three variables a, b, and c, a, b, and product. So since here we mention them as integers, so the same here, we're going to say int a, b, product. Okay, and with semicolon as always. So in C you always end your statement with a semicolon. Now you need to display now enter first number, right? To do that in C, just put printf. So printf stands for like this display. So printf, I'm going to say enter first number. Okay, now I'll end my statement with semicolon. Now to read, I use the C statement or function scanf. So it's going to be scanf %d, then after the double quote comma, I'm going to say ampersand a, which means it's going to store the value of a inside the variable a. Okay, so since it's going to be the same thing, I'll just copy and paste down for b to save time. Now instead of first, it's going to be second. Okay, and here it's going to be b instead, and I'll end my program with a semicolon. Okay, now let me display now the calculate the product. So product is going to be equals to a times b semicolon. Now to display now this product, I say printf the product is %d, right? So it's an integer. Percentage d is for integers. So comma product. Now end with semicolon. Okay. After that, now I'm going to I hope you guys are seeing very well. So I'm going to end with return 0. So that's it for the C code, and I hope there are no errors. Let me compile and run. So Control B. Okay, there are errors. Let me look very well. Let me look at the error message. So in line 21, okay, you see there's no semicolon at the end, so always put semicolon. Let me rerun again. Control B. Okay, there are no errors, so it ran successfully. Now if you see there's a new executable and it is in binaries, so we cannot see it, but I'll use my terminal to run it. So for example, if I say ls, you see now this green executable with the same name, but there's no .c extension, so it's just exercise 2. Now to run it, I just need to say backward /exercise 2, right? And I press enter. Now you see it says enter first number, so I'm going to put first number as 7, second number as 3, then now the product is 21, which is correct. Okay, so I hope everything is clear from pseudocode or from the algorithm right to the programming part. Okay, so in our next video we're going to tackle question exercise 3. So see you in our next video. Peace.